Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I am back with another fun, fast Tinkercad tutorial. So let's get cracking. Friends, if you've never used Tinkercad, I always choose sign in with Google. Once I'm in, we're going to hit new and choose 3D design. Real quickly, up here is where you name things. I'm going to name this one Locked Trick. And friends, the trick I'm going to share with you was shared with me by one of my favorite tinkers. His name is Leo. He's got a few awesome shoutouts and a new shoutout coming soon. But friends, let me show you the trick. So the first thing I'd like to highlight is the community shapes. When you go down here, there are tons of cool ones. We're going to switch to featured. As you move through these, when you bring them out, they have scaling locks, so when you want to stretch them, you can't. And that frustrates some users that want to make them the size that they'd like. So friends, the trick Leo shared is if you really want to scale this, if you go back to your creations, you can simply click it, hit create shape, give it a new name. I'm going to call this lamp 2. And don't lock the part size, simply hit save shape. When you bring the new one out, friends, it is no longer scaling limited. Now the trick works like a champ, but you cannot do multicolor. So realistically, if you wanted this shape, it is much smarter to build it, but there are other shapes that are for 3D printing where it doesn't matter about the color, and the trick is super handy. Real quickly, I'm going to show you how to build this one. If we go back to basic shapes, the bottom piece is probably this one right here. Notice if you squish it down and then hold shift, that starts to look similar. The next piece is a cylinder. I'm going to take the sides and make it all the way around. I'm going to hold down shift and shrink it so it's pretty small. It looks even smaller than 2, so now I'm going to type 1. And because I was holding shift, it changes in every direction. Now I'm going to make it nice and tall. We're going to make the top of the lamp with the cone. When you bring it out, see how the top was 0? Just make it something like 6 and press enter. I'm going to try 10 and press enter. That is a reasonable estimate of the other. Now notice theirs is solid. Watch this. Let's make ours not solid by doing Control D. Make the second one a hole. And instead of 6 and 10, make it 5 and 9. So I took away 1 on each. I'm going to keep the height. And when I do Control G to group those, or I could have hit the group button, bam, ours is actually hollow. Now the bonus of this is we can make ours all kinds of fancy colors. I'm going to make mine Art Deco with kind of a silver black, and I'm going to go black on the bottom style. To arrange them, I'm going to simply select the 3 of them, press the letter L to do a line. I'm going to make this piece the boss, and I'm going to say I want center and center. And then I can simply raise this up to where it would belong. Now it is floating in there, but it is also pretty darn cool. If I do Control G, they are now a group. If I switch to multicolor, it keeps its fancy color. Now if I want to store that forever, once again we can return to your creations, and I'm going to create a new shape called lamp number 3, and I could add a description and tags and then simply save the shape. How cool is that? Alright friends, so a super quick review. I want to thank Leo for sharing the awesome technique. It is super cool to be able to take one of these and make it scalable if that's what you're hunting for. Also, I hope you guys enjoyed learning the basic skills for making your own awesome lamp and then saving it as a shape. Friends, of course, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Please also hit that share button so more people can learn about HLModTech. Don't forget, you absolutely make my day if you take time to leave a comment down below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.